Welcome to a captivating journey of luxury house hunting in beautiful Jamaica. In this visually stunning video, we'll explore the best designed luxury houses available in this tropical paradise. Join me as I team up with a top-notch real estate agent, ready to unveil the most exquisite properties, all at one price. From breathtaking oceanfront estates to secluded hillside retreats, we'll showcase the epitome of opulence and style. Prepare to be amazed by the impeccable architecture, elegant interiors, and lush surroundings that define these luxury homes. Our expert real estate agent will reveal exclusive details about each property, ensuring you get an inside look at the lifestyle awaiting you in Jamaica. Whether you're seeking a private escape or an entertainer's haven, we've got you covered. Discover the vibrant culture, laid-back vibes, and pristine beaches that make Jamaica a sought-after destination for luxury living. Immerse yourself in the lush greenery and captivating panoramas that serve as the backdrop to these magnificent properties. As we delve deeper into each listing, you'll find yourself envisioning your new life in one of these exceptional homes. From infinity pools overlooking the Caribbean Sea to state-of-the-art amenities, every detail has been carefully crafted for the discerning homeowner.